Many people buy the ribs and know that they are tired of stewing soup and braised ribs. You must have never eaten this recipe today, and it's more delicious. Fresh ribs don't need to be blanched. You just need to add a spoonful of flour. Just mix it well. Then wash it with clean water. Put a spoonful of oil in the pan. Burn it until it smokes and pour it out. Add a spoonful of cold oil again. Pour the ribs in and stir-fry. You see that it doesn't stick to the pan at all. Stir-fry until the skin is slightly yellow. A like and subscribe is just a hand to you, but it can make me happy all day. Add ginger, garlic, and light soy sauce, a little dark soy sauce. Add a little pepper powder and continue to stir-fry to get the fragrance. Add half a bottle of beer. Add salt, chicken essence, MSG, oyster sauce, cover, and simmer for 10 minutes. Then turn off the fire and pour the soup on the garlic sprouts and millet. Stir-fry 2 times and it's ready to go. Stir-fried ribs with spicy flavor.